Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Dom Poisoned Darts, Cici and Sisi Indian 03, and I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 on my nails, and this is Dom Poisoned Darts. It's the purpley pink version of the other nail polish, the Poisoned Farts polish. Now right here it does look different. You can see more of that purpley pink kind of sheen to it, capping that free edge there. Now here we go with the second coat, and this is when it starts looking just like the other polish that I've worn. But you can see in the bottle they're totally different, and in certain lightings they surely were different. Get that on here real good. Beautiful. I'm going to top it with I&M's out the door. Use whatever top coats you like to use. Skip them if you don't use them. But this, I'm just showing you how I'm doing it and explaining what I'm doing. Not really so much why I'm doing it, just what I'm doing. Capping that free edge again. Gotta get Woody out here. Thank you, Woody. Look at that. Camera's all confused. And there's a swatch photo of it on its own. Here we go with our Cici and Sisi Indian 03 plate. I've got out my H. La Corsador scraper and my Konad stamper. This is an old bundle monster, Monarch Dream. Beautiful light purple stamping polish, cream. And we're going to just plop some images on these nails. There we go. I'm going to get that excess up off the stamper with a little piece of tape. I'm going to try to line this up and press down. And then we're going to use this other little single image of my ring fingernail. And then the other ones I'm just going to pull off of that like buffet style of the images. I put there we go, right there, you know. The ones where you could just pick and choose all sorts of cool pieces to use. And on these acrylic plates you can scrape till you're just crazy. There's you can do that, not like some metal plates. Okay, so I used part of that image on that nail, and there was enough left over that I used on my pinky nail. Kind of some recycling. But it also helps to do some of that mismatch stamping when I can do that. There we go. Scrape. You can just go crazy scraping on these plates, and I love that. And then one more. Ta-da! All stamped up. I do clean my acrylic plates with acetone. I don't think it's recommended, but that's what I use. That's how I'm able to get them clean and ready to put away. Also my little mat. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess polish up off my skin. That's looking pretty good. And then my little dampen dish here with some acetone in it. My IMK cleanup brush. We're starting to get used to this one. It's definitely different than my old one that I loved. That's no longer made. And I know that's confusing for folks when y'all come and see, and I've got all these cool things and they're no longer available. That's how they hook us. They hook us in and then they stop making it. I am topping these with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. And then once this is totally dry, I will go in with my final top coat. And I really enjoyed this one. There's my Poshe. That is what I'll be using today. Glossy, quick drying top coat, one of my favorites. Probably my favorite. I don't know. It's kind of hard to pick favorites when there's so many good things out there. There we go. Gonna cap my free edge again. And that is it. Ooh la la. So there's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.